afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Just cracked our fresh monster. We're about to get ready to head to Train Street. And then we've got a couple activities for a local food tour. Pay 20 bucks on Get Your Guide. So if you ever want to come to Hanoi and you want to see what the food tour and the Train Street's all about, stay tuned. There's the old hop on, hop off. So it's about a 10-minute ride. It's nice and hot out today. It's beautiful. I'm excited to get onto this food tour and go to the Train Street. So food stop 1 is Pho 10 here in Hanoi. This is a 2023-2024 Michelin star. I actually came here back in 2019 and I've enjoyed this food a couple times. It's absolutely delicious. So if you're running around Hanoi, you need to come on down to Pho 10. Alrighty, so our first stop is going to be right here at Quan, and it is famous. It's been here for over 40 years, right here under the banyan tree. And we're going to be experiencing some appetizers here. So we're just going to try a couple of tasty appetizers. Oh, have a look at this. And I'm going to try not to get in the way. So first we're going to start off with the pillow cake. This is filled with minced pork, glass noodles, mixed mushrooms, and it's a deep fried patty that we'll be dumping into not vinegar but fish sauce. And this fish sauce is made with a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of vegetables, and the green papaya. So here we go. Do I dip it?
Yes, you're gonna dip into the dipping sauce.
We're gonna dip it a little bit into the dipping sauce and just get a big old bite. Mmm. It's soft. Oh yeah. It's like a Vietnamese empanada. Basically, if you think about Puerto Rico and the empanadas, this is a Vietnamese empanada, and it's absolutely delicious. The crust around it crumbles and it's soft, tasty, and the interior glass noodles and pork, yeah. Our second is going to be the shrimp cake, and you actually eat the entire shell, I'm told. So I'm a little nervous to eat the whole shell. Oh, look, it's got its little crumbs. I eat all of this?
Yes.
Dip it? Dip or no dip?
Just dip.
Yes, dip. Oh, I'm scared. All right, whole shrimp, shell and all.
Get away.
Not for me. Oh. Next we've got the grilled pork skewer, and oh, there's lemongrass in there. So it's built-in lemongrass. Look at that. So a little dipperooski of the grilled pork. Bring it around. I don't eat the stick, right?
No.
Oh. I do taste the lemongrass. It smells like massage parlor. I love lemongrass in the steam room. Grilled pork skewers, empanada is still my favorite so far. Okay, so far, empanada's winning. Shrimp thingy, it was just a little tough for me to eat the shrimp with the shell on it. It didn't look like it. But now we've got the mung bean paste Vietnamese donut. And so, let's give this one a try. It's sweet and mushy. It's almost like a potato. Number one is the empanadas. All right, so we're leaving the first spot on the food tour. It was Quan again, under the big tree. If you're gonna visit, I want you to have the empanada. Vietnamese empanada stuffed with minced pork, mushrooms, and glass noodles. If you like the shrimp, then you could try the shrimp one, but I just can't get around eating the shell, you see? The shrimp shell is there, so I like the empanadas. Empanadas win #1 for me. Next on our stop is authentic, delicious Maya Kitchen. And so in order to get here, you have to walk in from the street, and then you walk down this tiny little alley here, and then there's some stairs. Oh my gosh. In Vietnam, please mind your head. Please mind your head. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna frickin' mind my head. Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna have some Vietnamese traditional food. Yeah, like this. What is this? This one is another version of pho. People mostly know about the beef noodle soup, but they have no idea about the different versions of pho. Yeah, this is 2 different versions of pho. The first one, we're gonna have some mixed pho. That there's no soup, just some fried shallot, some peanut, curd, carrot, papaya, mango, and also chicken as well. We're gonna have some special sauce under it with the rice noodle, and there's no soup, we just mix it all. Perfect.
No soup, so it's like dry pho with veggies and peanuts.
No, I swear that
So
it's not
good.
going to dry, so just leave it. And the second one gonna have some roll pho, also called as the summer roll. It's not the spring roll, but it's like the summer roll. Outside of it is the rice noodle, but it's haven't cut. And the filling, I'm gonna have some lettuce, beef, carrots, mango, and I'm gonna dip into this sauce. It's kind of like similar to the previous one we got. It's like the fish sauce, add more like vinegar, sugar, and water. Yes, it's also some pepper as well. So we're gonna dip this one to this one. Yes, okay, give it a try.
Let's do it.
Yes.
All right, first things first is we're gonna dive into this steamed rice wrapped pork and carrots into the sauce. So let's give it a good, nice full dip. What's that called?
The summer roll.
Summer roll?
Yes.
That's way healthier than a spring roll. All right, we're departing restaurant number 2, the Maya Kitchen. I will say that the summer roll was really good. And instead of a spring roll, it's a summer roll because it's lighter and more refreshing. Whereas you don't want to really eat a hot, heavy spring roll. I don't know, you know, summer roll lighter, spring roll heavy. So, and then the noodle dish without any pho, without any soup was a little unflattering. I wish that it would be hot or cold, but it was kind of like a temperature in between. So I wanted a hot or a cold, but I don't know, it just wasn't my favorite, which is okay because we got another spot, then we got a dessert and a coffee, so let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we've arrived at our 3rd destination, Quan. This is steamed rice paper, and we are going to stop here for a dish, Ban Quan Ga. ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So we've got a VIP backdoor entrance to the train street, and we got to go through a little house. I wasn't that impressed with the last area's sanitation, so we kind of dipped out of there. But I'm gonna take you over here to Train Street. Hello. Oh, watching soccer? Football. Wow, this is cool. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. We are here. This way?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. You guys, this is cool. I'm on the train. I'm on the train tracks of the Hanoi Street train. Just look at this. This is why I hired a guide, because last time I came here it was all like closed down and it wasn't what I expected. This is what I like. Hanoi 1990s. Hanoi is never in a hurry, especially when we meet soulmates, drink coffee, and enjoy the beautiful space. I've been waiting to come and visit this place for a couple years. I actually tried to come here last time, but it was all closed off, which sucked. This time, I actually hired a guide, and she's got me the perfect seat right here. And we're about to see the train go by. So one of the tricks that you're gonna do here at the railway is you're gonna take your beer cap, and you're gonna place it right here on the railway, and then when the train goes over it, it's gonna flatten the crap out of it, and then you're gonna have a flattened souvenir. So we'll leave it here, and then we'll see what happens.
But the one that I took you to is the most famous one.
Is that where I'm sitting?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm sitting at the most famous one.
Yeah. Because this one is in the middle, so.
That's pretty.
People...
Slay! Train coming! How freaking cool was that? Let me tell you what, YouTubers. That's why you tune into the American Travel Guy. Cash me outside, how about that? If you like it, subscribe it. Holla, holla, holla. All the
Thanks
boys
again
in
for
the hood.
tuning into the American Travel Guy Train Street and Food Tour. Special shout out to Julie, the tour guide. If you're visiting Hanoi, have any questions, let me know. If you like it, subscribe it.